This lesson is bar graphs using boards number 14 and number 28. We'll use the dry erase markers and cloth and the flex ruler. For this example, which is number 1 in your manual, we are trying to draw a bar graph that represents the cumulative savings of Peter before he goes to summer camp. So for 6 months, his bank balance is increasing or staying the same, and we're going to start off with the savings in December, and the actual savings account balance at that point was $20. So we can see that each month is laid out along the x-axis here, and along the y-axis we can see we have the savings account balance. So for December, we're going to use this section only, and we're going to go up to $20 and draw a bar. You can have students shade that in if you'd like and fill that in so that they can see that December is exactly $20. Then moving on to January, notice that we are skipping a space. For bar graphs, there is always a space in between the bars. If you're creating a histogram, which will be in another lesson, you will put the bars flush against one another. So for January, we can see that he saved an additional $10, and now his balance has increased to $30. We will draw the bar, and for time's sake, I will leave it blank, but you can have students fill that in when they're doing this. For February, there's an additional $20 added. We'll take this bar up to $50, which is the cumulative account balance at that point. Moving on to March, we take him up to $70. Halfway between $60 and $80. In April, his balance moves to $100. And finally, in May, he gets a big boost to his savings account balance, and it takes him all the way up to $230. Make sure that when students are creating bar graphs that they label both the x and the y-axis, and in addition that they put a title that is appropriate along the top. This is how you use board number 14 and board number 28 to create bar graphs.